Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can permanently delete your Facebook page. So for that you just need to log into your browser and come to facebook.com and log in your account. After logging into your account, you just select your account section from here and then select the page you want to delete. After selecting the page, you will see your page name from here, and then again go to your account section and go to settings and privacy, and then settings. After going to settings, this will pop up, and from here click privacy. After clicking privacy, click Facebook page information, and from here you see this, we can delete our Facebook page from here. Just go view and you see delete page, click this delete page. It says it is permanent, so once you delete your page you cannot revive it. Continue. I need to type my password. After you type your password, it will ask you to confirm it, and after you confirm it and press continue, your page will be deleted. Yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.